Welcome back to Tech Avro. Have you accidentally deleted an important file or folder in Google Drive and panicked thinking it was lost forever? When you delete an item, Google Drive moves it to the trash folder where it stays safely for 30 days before permanent deletion. You can easily restore your deleted files and return them to their exact original folder locations in just a few clicks. Here is how to do it step by step. First, open Google Drive in your web browser. Look at the left navigation sidebar menu and click on the trash folder icon. Browse through your deleted items or use the top search bar inside trash to find your missing file. Single left click on the deleted file or hold Ctrl on Windows or Command on Mac to select multiple files. Right click on the selected file to open the option menu. Click the Restore option with the small clock and arrow icon. A toast notification will appear at the bottom left confirming your file has been restored. Go back to My Drive or open its original folder and you will see your file back in its exact place with all its content intact. If this file recovery guide saved your lost data, please like this video and subscribe to Techavro for more quick tech walkthroughs. See you in the next one.